about solid waste management. Here, what is waste? Waste is anything that we have no longer used. Waste management is very important. If it is improper, it can pollute and harm our environment. So first of all, we buy things from malls, shopping mall, new products and use it in commercial, office, hospital, schools and residential areas. Then we put the dry waste in blue dustbin and the wet waste in green dustbin. Then garbage truck comes and collect the waste from here and put it in garbage collection area where we do segregation of the waste. It is divided in two parts: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste is put in compost unit, which makes compost, which is highly fertile soil. And the non-biodegradable waste is also divided into two types: recyclable waste and non-recyclable waste. The non-recyclable waste is put in incinerator, which is burned at a high temperature to reduce the volume and decompose easily. Some biodegradable waste is put in biogas plant, which gas is used in our homes and also used to generate electricity. Some non-recyclable waste is put in landfill, which is not the best method but a method to manage the waste. Then some recyclable waste is first cleaned and then shredded into pieces and then melted and then made small pieces, which is called pellets. Then the pellets are transferred to recycling factory where we make new products like packaging and water bottles. Then it is